How to fix Pinterest white screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest white screen on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here storage. Now click clean up and here clean some space and just clean some space, or you can just clean it from your gallery. Click on your gallery and delete some photos and videos, and after that go to settings and then apps again, and here type Pinterest and click on it, and now click force stop and then go to storage and clear data. Click OK. Now restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to Play Store and check if there's any updates and update your Pinterest, or you can just uninstall and then install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.